all overcome. So that I recall very little, for I have forgotten out of it joy and laughter and tears and grief and sadness. And the outlook isn't too good, nor do I believe, since I have such an asset, that anything but God protects me. For I don't believe it all that, through plea or through threat, I could achieve by all means or conquer such a lover. If God, whom I thank for her, hadn't set me on the right path and put a kind heart in her. I shall pray more for a new grace than I used to for the old one. For he has given me a taste, the rest of which I sought of him. And I know why he bestowed such a grace on me, for he knows I am without deceit towards her who keeps me as her own. Such a love befits her, that God granted her to me. For to a man who would betray her, he wouldn't grant suzerainty, nor would he keep her for his own rebel. She wasn't meant to be betrayed, so valuable she is. But I'm letting out too much. For if I say about her what is fitting to remain sealed in my heart, everybody would know by my troth who she is. For all people cry and know, and it is quite obvious which is the best there is. This is why I praise her and pleaded her. I have such a reckless heart that I can hardly abstain. For love rides my thoughts, so that I have a mind to extol her. For everybody, such is the desire that assails me. But respect and ability and righteous good love hold me back. Hold me back. For although she wished me not to show my cheer, my heart she is full of joy. For I imagine I am in paradise when I hear anybody talk sensibly about my lady, who tethers me so much that I don't address any other woman, barely, because he tells me about her. Thus it is a great gift when one barely mentions the castle where she abides. But I can't see how anyone who isn't connected to her is of any account. For before I was her subject, I don't know why I was worth anything, except for the good I would have of her. Never a lance nor a bolt stares me, nor does a steely sword when I kiss or regard her ring. And if I am quite a Gascon about it, I ought indeed to be so. And if one thinks I am a fool, he doesn't know the ways of love. Let anyone who does not respect my folly die of knife, of stone, or of bolt. Jogar, may God, who did so much for you and who increases your worth each day, guide you as befits you.